what is VS Code, simply visit your browser and type VS Code. What is VS Code on your Chrome browser? You can see the full meaning, Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code. Okay, you can as well read the meaning of VS Code. We are not going to do that because it will take a lot of my time. Next thing that we want to do again is to head back to the step-by-step guide. Okay, how to download VS Code. Now do as I'm doing too. So simply go to your Chrome browser and type in at the search bar download VS Code. Alright, you can see the first link that appeared. Kindly click on the first link. Now this is the VS Code. You can see there are many specifications. If you are on a MacBook, you can simply download it here, but if you are using the Linux, you can simply download it here. But as you can see, I'm in a window, so I'm going to download it in my window laptop. So kindly tap on there. As you can see, the Visual Studio Code is downloading. I think we should wait until the download is successful. Alright guys, as you can see, the download is successfully. So kindly click on the open icon in order to open your VS Studio Code. Make sure you're paying attention to my screen. You have to select I accept the agreement. So click on it, click next, ignore this and then click next, and as well ignore this and click next. Make sure you check every single box here. Make sure you tick all of them. Now the next thing is to tap on next. After that, kindly click on install. Now as you can see, the VS Studio Code is installing, so we have to wait until the installation is successfully. The installation is successfully. Make sure to check this, then click on the finish button. Alright, see, the next thing you want to do, let's make it to cover our screen. After you have installed VS Studio Code, you can simply select the item, but for me, I normally use that model. You can select light model, but I normally use that model. Alright, you can see, let's head back to our step-by-step guide. Now we have successfully downloaded VS Studio Code. We have also set it up. VS Code extension to install, Prettier and Live Server. So we have to install these two extensions inside our VS Studio Code. So head over to your VS Studio Code. You can see, locate this icon called extensions. Now as you can see, we are in an extension folder. What you have to do is to search for Prettier. I think Prettier. As you guys can see, this is Prettier. The next thing you want to do is to tap on it and then click the tiny install button here. In order to install, click on Trust Publisher and install. The code is installing already. The code has successfully installed. Now let's head over to our step-by-step guide and see if we are following the. Alright, we should also install Live Server. Head back to your VS Studio Code and type Live Server. Now this is Live Server. So all you have to do is to tap on the installation button. Now, like usual, trust and publish. Alright, you have to observe patient, and this Live Server will enable us to preview our work on the Chrome browser. Alright, this is what it does. You can scroll down. It enables us to preview our coding on the live browser. I think it's already installed. Now the next thing you want to do is to head back to our step-by-step guide. So we are done with everything on VS Studio Code. We have to follow the step 2.